Hello, today I am unboxing a Nikon D750. I'm really excited to do this with you, so bear with me because I am super excited, so I'm going to try and remember to go through everything and not just whiz through it and open it up. So yay! Alright, so look how big this box is, first of all. Here goes. Of course, I have my ordering slips. Doesn't love to top these. Ooh, well packed. Thank you. Okay, so I got a free kit that came with it, that came with a camera bag. I have my own camera bag, so I probably won't use this, but it also came with a free memory card, which I could always use more memory cards. Okay, let's see what the free camera bag looks like. Free accessory kit from B&H. Oh, hey, it's even from Nikon. It's not just some random bag. All right, so it's got a strap on the inside here. Ta-da! Wow, this bag is nicer than I thought it would be. I thought it would be some cheap little... Isn't that cute? Huh. If you have a small iPad or a laptop, but I wouldn't say a big laptop would probably fit in there. It's got padding for your lenses, and I don't know if I'll use it, but maybe I'll come back in the future and let you know. Like I said, there's also a free memory card that came with it. Are you ready for the grand reveal? Here it is. Here it is. Oh, it's heavy. All right, let's see what's in here, huh? Okay, here goes. Got warranty programs right on the top. Information about Nikon school. Setup menu. Let's see, what's this? Oh, this is wrapped around. Okay, probably the manuals, I'm guessing. Manual in Spanish. English user's manual. And I'm not really sure what this is. View NX2. I'll put that on my computer and check it out later. Okay, here's the camera itself. Here goes. Ooh, I'm so excited. Camera strap. I've heard that the material on the camera strap is a little weird. So let's see what that looks like. That's fine. It's got a rubber backing. Kind of like a nylon front, I want to say. Typical camera strap. Battery charger. This takes a different battery than my last one did, which is a Nikon D750. I just loved it so much I never upgraded, and I just figured now would finally be the time because I am shooting a wedding on Saturday and I wanted a more reliable second body than my old Olympus. Just some cords, some other stuff. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's a viewfinder cover. I don't know if it's a secondary one or not. Battery plug-in right here. Okay, now it's time for the body itself. Here it goes. It's beautiful, and it's lightweight. I've heard about the grip having problems, but that actually feels kind of nice. So I don't know, works for me. It's a nice solid grip actually. Huh. I'm really excited about this screen because I've heard that this pops right up, and I've never had that. I've never used a camera with this kind of feature before. Ha ha ha. I'm kind kind of scared to mess with it. I don't want to break it. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's popping out. Can you see it? Ooh. Okay. So, nice. So if I'm down here, hello. Okay, that's kind of cool. I like that. There's a lot of times when I could have probably used something like this with my other cameras. I just kind of put it up, and but this should be really helpful. I might have to play around with that later. Nice. Oh man, I'm in love. I can't wait to get outside and play with this. Hello. Well, I haven't had a chance to use it yet, so I'm going to charge the batteries and give it a whirl. And then I'm going to take it out and practice shooting with it, so that way I can let you know how it feels, and maybe show you some of the images that I take with it too. And I'm really excited to have this as my backup. I don't want to use it as my main camera yet for the wedding because I don't know what the settings are going to be like, if it's the same as my camera, and I want to be able to use that muscle memory when it really matters when I'm shooting. So this one will just be for a few fun ones. But yeah, that is my great camera unboxing. Super quick and simple and without all the technical mumbo jumbo. You guys have a great week.